Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn Read Aloud on or off in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the main interface where you can adjust your settings. The Read Aloud feature is incredibly useful if you want Outlook to vocally read your emails to you, which can be helpful when you're multitasking or prefer listening over reading. Once your emails have loaded and you're on your main Outlook dashboard, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This tab gives you access to important account settings and various configuration options that control how Outlook functions. After clicking File, a menu will appear with several options. Navigate to the bottom part of this File menu and you'll see an option labeled Options. Click on it to open the Outlook Options window. This is where you can customize nearly every aspect of how Outlook works, from email handling to display preferences and accessibility features. Once the Outlook Options window opens, you'll notice several tabs listed on the left side of the window. These tabs organize different categories of settings to make navigation easier. From this list, click on Accessibility. This tab is specifically designed to help users customize Outlook to meet various accessibility needs, including screen readers, display adjustments, and audio features like Read Aloud. Within the Accessibility tab, look for a section called Application Display Options. This section contains settings that control how content is presented to you within Outlook. Here you'll find the Show Read Aloud option. To enable the Read Aloud feature, simply click on the checkbox next to it. This will activate the feature and allow Outlook to read your emails out loud whenever you choose to use it. If you wish to disable the feature at any time, just remove the check from the checkbox by clicking on it again. Once you've configured your settings the way you want them, click on the OK button at the bottom of the Outlook Options window. This will save your changes and apply them immediately to your Outlook application. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Outlook, giving you more control over how you interact with your emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.